Okay, hi everyone. So right now I'm going to show you on how to use a modify toolbar, okay, or to use a modify command to draw your assignment or to draw your title block. In this case, is your title block. Okay, so before we have already drawn the border of our title block. Now what we need to do is we want to draw all the lines that we have and also all the text that we have in the title block. Okay, the first command that I want to show is how to use an offset. So basically an offset is when you want to draw the same line, offset or in certain position from the original position. Okay, what you did is you're going to copy and offset the line. Okay, let's say I want to offset this line to draw this line. Okay, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm using offset. So click offset and okay, specify the distance that you want to offset is 70. Okay, I will type 70 spacebar. Okay, select the object. This is the object that I want to offset, where I want to offset to the left. Okay, so I just bring my cursor to the left and click. So now I already copy and offset the last same line 70 mm from the original position. Okay, next I want to do the small row at the bottom. Okay, so the line will be offset about 5 mm from the original position. So I'm going to use this line to offset, and then I'm going to use a trim command to cut all the line that I don't want to be inside the drawing. Okay, let's say this is the line that I want to offset. Okay, how far? This is 5. Click enter, or you can also use the space bar. Okay, the same line I want to offset by 5, space bar, 5, space bar, click, type 5, click your space bar, another one, click line, type 5, and then click your space bar. So this is all the 5 rows that I have drawn, okay, following the title block figure. Okay, and then I also have the 25 mm. Here is 25. Click and then type 25, enter, and another 10. Click, type 10, enter, or spacebar. Okay, now this is all the line that I want to draw. Now I want to delete all the lines over here which I don't want to be inside my drawing or in my title block. Okay, what I'm going to use is the trim command. Okay, now escape first. Type trim. Okay, select object that the limits that you want to trim. So from here to here. Okay, so all this line I don't want. Okay, just click your space bar. Now bring your cursor into the line that you want to delete. Okay, you can see the red cross over there, the small red cross. This is show the delete or the trim icon. And select the line that you don't want, or you can select multiple. Click your cursor, your left cursor, and drag to all lines that you want to delete. One time, delete all. Okay, so escape. Okay, to release the command. So now you have your title block over here. You have to do for the row at the bottom, 40 mm from the top. Okay, and also the 15 mm from the top for the faculty area. Okay, next I'm going to show you on how to write a text into your drawing. Now, first thing, you have to choose the correct layer. This is text. And text, you have a multiple text, or you want to do a one time. Okay, let's say I want to just write one time. Okay, the title of this drawing or the subject name. Okay, single line. Specify one where you want to write. Okay, you can go into the place that you want, or you can write it anywhere, and then you can move it to the position. Okay, let's say I just want to write here. Okay, I specified my point. Okay, the height of my text. Let's say I want to use 2.5. Let's say 2.5. Okay, the rotation is 0. Space bar. Okay, now I can type this title, double dot, title block exercise. Okay, and click again your mouse. Okay, and if you want to write again, you can write, or if you don't want, if you want to change the size, you can escape first and then use back the text icon or the text command. Now I click escape. Okay, let's say if I write my text somewhere over on the other place, yeah, inside the drawing limit. Okay, let's say I'm single line text, specify the point, the size let's say is 3, then rotation is 0. Okay, so let's say I'm typing the subject name BFC 10303 double dot civil engineering drawing, okay, and CAD. Okay, and then this one, okay, and I want to move this title, this word, okay, to the correct position. I can simply use move, enter, select the object that you want to move. This is the object, enter or spacebar, the displacement, say to the center, and you can simply move it where you want it to be moved. Okay, so adjust it until you get a very nice, neat and fit title into your title block. Okay, make sure you're not going to write things outside of the title block border. Okay, so the next one is how if you want to insert a logo. Okay, in this title block we have the old logo of UTHM. Now we want to use the new one. Okay, you go to your instruction sheet. So this is your instruction sheet. So this is the new logo for UTHM. So what you need to do, use your snipping tool. Okay, click new. You just snip this logo or snap this logo. Okay, then copy, go back to your AutoCAD, put your cursor inside the drawing limit and Ctrl V to paste. Okay, so this is logo. So what you need to do, you have to rescale this logo and make sure it fit into the border of the information area of your title block. Okay, so that's all for your guidance. So I hope you can try it by yourself. Okay, if you have any problem, you can contact me directly. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.